More than 800 Maine students and their teachers participated in the Simmons Windstorm Challenge at the University of Maine today. Students designed and constructed floating platforms to hold model wind turbines.
News Center Maine's Katie Delaney shows us how students' creations held up against wind and waves and how it's preparing these students for a career in renewable energy.
You build it, you test it, and then see how it does.
100 floats carrying model wind turbines are facing the elements in the University of Maine's wind wave simulation basin. High school students are competing for a guaranteed internship in UMaine's wind lab and are feeling many emotions as they prepare to see the designs they've been working on for months put to the test.
Anxiety, but also excitement.
We were nervous because it was swinging a bit more than we thought.
Kind of nerve-wracking.
Despite some nerves, students are confident in their designs. Medway Middle School crafted their float like a sailboat.
The keel is going to work as to keep it steady.
Somerset Career and Technical Center used a gyroscope design and 3D printed their model.
The main goal behind this was to get as much weight as low as possible on the windmill to sort of stabilize it.
Both teams' floats made successful voyages, staying balanced against the waves.
It looked like it was going to do bad at first, but then at the end it was doing pretty good.
Just seeing it out there in action, it was amazing. It was like a very delightful experience.
The challenge provides a fun and interactive way for students to strengthen their engineering skills and prepare for their future careers.
So it's an opportunity to really enrich their education in ways that otherwise are not possible.
Habib Dogger, the director of the Advanced Structures and Composite Center that runs the event, says offshore wind is Maine's biggest untapped resource, and these students are helping to change the future of energy.
And these are the leaders who will take these technologies and implement them in the next decade or so in our society.
Students getting valuable hands-on experience to take with them into their careers.
It was great. I'm really honestly just thankful for the opportunity.
Any future engineers that would want to do anything like this, I recommend this.
Win or lose, each of the teams made a splash. In Orono, Katie Delaney, News Center, Maine.